In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable exporting XMP metadata by default on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top and then go down and select Preferences. On the left panel, select Image Import and Export near the top. And then on the right side underneath Export Policies, there should be something that says Export XMP Metadata by default when available. Either checkmark or uncheck that depending on your preference, and then select OK to save. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.